Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this technology backdrop for content creation, streaming, as well as flipping computers and staging them for Facebook Marketplace. It was made primarily out of OSB, random old computer hardware, a lot of spray paint, some RGB lights, and that's about it. So follow along, we're going to dive right in and I'll show you how I did it. Now to quickly run through the parts and about what I paid. Keep in mind that all the computer hardware I already had, the monitor I already had, the sheet of OSB I already had, although if I could do it again I would have swapped that out for a real piece of plywood. Probably would have ended up making it look better. So let's run through those. Thanks for watching, guys. This was my first YouTube video I've ever created. If you did like what you saw, please like and think about subscribing. I am hoping to put out more content. That's kind of the whole point of why I created that thing. Content will be around technology in general, but also about flipping gaming computers and how to source those. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.